Hello, this is Daryl, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of the KEYLOK software protection dongle. What we're looking at here is some sample demo program that ships with our evaluation kit. This one was built with Microsoft Visual Studio 2005. So the first thing I'm going to do is check for KEYLOK. You can see it returned a check for local KEYLOK was successful. Each dongle that is shipped has a unique set of codes by company, and so this one happens just to be our demo codes, but you would be checking against your specific codes to know that your dongle was in fact plugged in. If I unplug the dongle, what it would return is a fail to authenticate, check for local KEYLOK failed, and you can take appropriate action, whether it be to put your product in demo mode, to close the product, to turn off certain features, whatever is appropriate for your licensing and your market, your product. So I'm going to plug the device back in. The dongle's plugged in. We're going to check for KEYLOK successful. Next thing we're going to do is a read authorization. Once you check for KEYLOK, and you can start reading memory, but without a read authorization, the data that would be returned is going to be invalid. You will not get the results you expect. So we have done our read authorization. We get the serial number. This one has a serial number of 1234. You can use that serial number for your own purposes, store it in your CRM or ERP application, and be tracking modules that this customer's purchased or other licensing options. You can also be doing unique builds to a specific serial number, so your software would only work with a specific dongle, all dependent upon, of course, your application and your market. Next thing we'll do is read memory. So on our KEYLOK 2 USB device, there's 112 bytes of memory, 56 words. On our Fortress dongle, it ships with a base of 5,000 bytes with the option of increasing that to 55,000 bytes, so a lot more memory available on our Fortress device. So for this one, let's say we're going to read word 4, memory address 4, and it returns back a value of 102. Now 102 could mean a number of different things. It could be a value that you're using in computations. It could be a counter based upon the licensing and how many uses of your software you'd want to use. It's really dependent upon you and how you want to implement your security and licensing. The next thing we'll do is write authorization. So again, if we want to write to memory, we have to do a write authorization. In this case, let's say we're going to decrement the counter, and memory address 4, the one we just checked, was our counter. We can decrement the counter, and it'll now be 101. So let's say you had, 56 modules that you wanted to track uses of. You could use all of the memory address to be tracking uses of your software and individual licensing, just as an example. Writing to memory, again, we write to memory an address at a time. In this instance, let's say we're going to write to memory address 50, and we'll write a value of 1001. Click OK, and then let's go read memory address 50, and it has a value of 1001. Next, I'm going to show you the expiration date functionality. We can check for an expiration date. Expiration date for this dongle is programmed to be 12/31/2011. So you can use that date for evaluation periods, for subscriptions, leases, rentals. You have the ability to use remote update to modify that date. Expiration date, we can set the expiration date. Set it to 12/31/2012, and now they've purchased another year's worth of subscription. So that is a demonstration of the base functionality of our KEYLOK Secure Software Protection dongle. If you have any questions, contact us at support@keylok.com. Thank you.